Hey gearheads, planning a small block Chevy engine swap in your classic 47 through 59 Chevy truck? Getting the engine and transmission securely positioned is one of the most important parts of the entire project. CPP makes that process easier with this straight axle small block install kit. This complete mounting package brings together the primary components needed to position a small block Chevy engine and compatible GM transmission in your classic truck. Instead of sourcing the engine crossmember, transmission crossmember, and mounting pads separately, this gives you a coordinated installation package from CPP. The kit includes engine crossmember, transmission crossmember, 2 rubber motor mounts, rubber transmission mount. The engine crossmember provides a strong mounting foundation for your small block Chevy engine. The included rubber motor mounts help isolate normal engine vibration from the chassis, making them a great choice for street-driven trucks where comfort, dependability, and a traditional mounting design are important. The engine perches are also included, giving you the essential pieces needed to establish a secure engine mounting location. Behind the engine, the included transmission crossmember provides support for several popular GM automatic transmissions. Whether you're building a traditional cruiser or adding an overdrive transmission for improved highway driving, this kit gives you a solid starting point for completing the drivetrain installation. This kit is compatible with these GM transmissions: TH350, TH400, 700, R4, 4L60E. Every engine swap is different, so proper planning and careful measurement are essential. Before final installation, position the engine and transmission together and verify firewall clearance, oil pan clearance, steering clearance, drive shaft alignment, transmission angle, and access to surrounding components. Always test fit the entire drivetrain before permanently attaching the crossmembers to the frame. Professional installation is recommended whenever welding, fabrication, or drivetrain alignment is required. This CPP kit is a practical solution for builders who want the major engine and transmission mounting components packaged together. It helps reduce the guesswork of collecting separate parts while providing a coordinated foundation for your classic Chevy truck drivetrain swap. With durable crossmembers, rubber mounting components, and support for several popular GM transmissions, this kit can help move your project one step closer to getting back on the road. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check it out. That's it for this video, and remember, for parts that are built to fit, built to perform, and built to drive, make sure your ride is CPP equipped. If you're ready to upgrade your classic car or truck with performance you can trust, just click the link in the description or head over to classicperform.com and check out our full line of suspension, steering, and brake solutions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a build breakdown, install guide, or performance tip.